Oh, you motherfucker. Oh! Gigantic.
Huh?
There we go. I'm pissing real quick. Cold. You bitch.
Take it down there? Yeah, let's go halfway down Carmont then.
We should go over there
Where?
and like walk our normal route that we walk over by your house.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So we are in Nebraska, and this park is haunted by a woman who was murdered out here. Dude,
Whoa,
did you hear that? Oh my God! Fuck, man.
did it touch you?
Sexually. Spider.
Woo! Why doesn't it tumble? I think it's broken. Okay, let's go. Love Actually by Alex Carrone. A real book about fake emotions. The lone pine cone erect and sad. Hey everybody, shoot the shit for real. One day we'll do more videos, but the day is not today. So, thank you for coming with us on a walk, for us to be boring and do nothing. You've been updated. There. We did an artsy hipstery video in the rain, so this should get 1 million views. And I know Bianca will watch it at least when she sees it's about rain. And Ivan might watch it too. Because, you know, hipsters and all that. Say goodbye, Alex.
Bye, Alex.
See ya.
Stay classy.
It's cool. What are we doing? Why are we so boring?
Come up with something.